Hi everyone, so welcome back to another tutorial from the eye makeup series, and today you will learn the blue partial smoky eye. For this I have taken the blue color of eyeshadow and depositing it over the outer edges of the eye with the help of smudging brush. As you can see, again taking the darkest blue color and the teal color. Now with the darkest blue color depositing it over the outer edges. You can see now taking the teal color with the help of big blending brush, blending it, making it as natural as I can. Again using the darkest blue color, giving the liner effect. Create a smoky effect to the outer edges of the eye with the help of big blending brush, blending the colors and blur out the crease lines. Again taking the darkest blue color in the direction of V, blending it, now applying the pressed glitter eyeshadow in the color white. Again taking the liquid glitter, metallic glitter in the shade silver from the brand Charmbox Beauty. Gives very natural effect, you can see. Now with the help of flat applicator, applying the pressed glitter, Now the look after lashes. You can see for under eye using the white kajal pencil, applying it to the lower lash line of the eye. The brand I am using, that is Charmwork Beauty. Now going to do the under eye smudging with the same color, the blue one. Smudge the under eye. Now applying the mascara from the brand Maybelline Colossal to the lower lashes of the eye. And here is the final look in front of you. So if you love our work, then support us. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Take care. We'll meet in next tutorial. Till then, practice. And if you have any query, you can comment in the comment section.